you're looking for the numbers on it?
Yeah, 7.
It is Minnesota, 734
Yeah.
EJM.
Okie dokie.
73. Yeah, you don't see too many of those, that color.
No, it's very unusual. It's not a color that I don't know if I would choose.
I do like it. It's growing on me.
It's grown on me. I love the reds.
Yeah.
That's one thing. And that pearlized white.
That would be my most favorite is the
Awfully
pearlized
pretty.
white. Not regular white, but it's got to be that. Yeah.
Pearl white is not pretty.
And you know what I thought of? We didn't do over MEA. And because I had the coupon out, I completely forgot to get Randy's car in. For oil change. We were going to switch
But you know
cars
what?
one
I
day.
bet you they'll have them again.
They will, but it
I'll
just would have
watch.
been nice when I was
Well,
off.
it would have been. And you couldn't try it today.
Well, I don't have his time.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty important.
Yeah.
Jeez.
You know, unless for some strange reason they had one at 5 or 5:30, but I don't think they even do oil changes.
Probably the post.
Yeah. So I just completely forgot. I saw the coupon.
Well, it's such a change of life,
Yeah.
you know, when Jen's home, because normally she's up and rushing out in the
Yeah.
morning.
Yeah.
That's the way it goes.
Wednesday. I can't remember. Yeah, just the time kind of goes, doesn't it?
Yeah, it just does.
So Jonah's gonna go play cards tonight somewhere?
Yeah, she's going to play cards at Janet's.
Okay.
Gee, I wonder how they're getting along. Oh,
Oh, so it was Julie and Pete. So Pete was the one that passed away. Janet lives up in, I think, Otsego or something.
yeah.
Rogers.
Yeah,
Okay, and she's gonna spend the night there, do you think?
I believe so.
Oh, I'm sure she is if she's playing
Yeah.
cards, yeah.
Because
Yeah,
drive home, that would be insane.
No, she wouldn't drive home at midnight.
Highway,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so.
And I get such a kick out of her. She says, you know, she deserves to get away. He gets away. He does his fishing. Da-dee-da. And I say, yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
What else can I say?
What else can you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, exactly.
But I was just dumbfounded to hear Marge was so excited she could understand that she had sold that place.
Yeah.
And she said $600,000. And I would guess since he wouldn't deal with anybody else, she had to have the listing. See, between that, the listing and the selling, that's 4%.
Yeah. I wonder if she did have both. It's hard to say.
Oh, I would think, how would the guy get to know her that much?
Well, maybe they had been looking at other places
It's
together.
a possibility, but
Yeah, it's hard to say.
I just love to ask her, but
I would love to do.
I don't think it's any of my business.
I know. I would love to ask too.
You wouldn't want to have somebody think you're just.
Well, that's just it. It's hard if you want to, but you don't dare.
But see, Marge does me anything and everything.
Yeah, just don't.
I don't think she realizes that I don't hear that much.
Right.
You know?
Yeah. Isn't that funny?
Yeah, it is. Well, and see, Marge has spent a lot more time with me with the kids over the years.
You know, I really don't think so.
Maybe.
I think it's just that.
Maybe it's her age. I do know she hears from them.
Right. But I think, you know, because Joan and Bill have been up in Brainerd for how many years?
Well, since Matt was a preschooler. Matt, I think, was about
No, Matt
4
was
or 5.
No, Matt was 10.
Oh, wait, Brainerd.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
So-
You're right. I remember because he was so unhappy about babysitting.
Yeah. And so then you guys babysat,
Yeah.
you know.
One summer we had him pretty much all summer.
Right. And then,
He had that little dog.
yeah. And then after that, though, you know, once they were so busy up there,
Yeah.
she probably didn't see her mom more than 2 or 3 times a year.
Maybe not. But I know they call her a lot.
I know. I think it's because it's
Yeah.
the daughter, you know.
Yeah. Yes.
That's my guess anyway.
Well, just think this is Sue's last day. Jen's last day. Well, no, Jen. Still, basically, Jen gets the weekend.
Yeah, and Sue has a weekend. They have all day today yet, and they have.
Well, she leaves tomorrow.
Right, but I'm guessing it's not till 7 at night.
Oh.
6, 5, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, let's see, it's a 3-hour flight at least, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Or is it 4 to California?
I thought it was 4. Actually,
Oh,
thought
I think it
was
is 4. You know why? It's 3 to Arizona.
Yeah.
So it's
See, I
4.
don't know why in the world would she come back so late unless she
6,
couldn't do
7,
any
8.
better on her ticket.
You know what? I bet you the flight leaves at 5, and she didn't realize
Oh.
6, 7, 8, 9 would be the 4 hours, and then the 2-hour time
See,
difference,
she
11.
loses that time coming
That's
home.
what it is.
Mhm.
So leaving at 5, oh, that doesn't sound bad.
Well,
But when it's 4 hours and you lose 2 hours, that's 6 hours there.
see, there's not much they can do. The day you're going, you pack, and
Yeah.
kind of the day is kind of.
Well, but though, if it's 5 o'clock, they have pretty much the day. I mean, because it's not like they got to get dinner and breakfast and
Yeah.
see every, you know what I mean? They got up and they still kind of got the day.
Yeah. Well, Lynn's going to miss her terribly. She'll come home to her job and everybody will want to know what went on. It would be so quiet for them.
Oh, yeah.
I might give her a call tomorrow.
Well,
You
no,
and I, if I'm going to so
we maybe better do it Sunday just because she'll be, I don't
Yeah.
know if her flight.
Well,
Well,
tomorrow she's only leaving. Yeah, she won't even be gone tomorrow.
but yeah,
she's
I'm
only
guessing
leaving
5,
nighttime
and I
and
think she's 16 miles from San Francisco,
Yeah.
so she's got a long haul back
Yeah,
and forth.
I would. Yeah.
It's an hour and a half one way, so she's gonna be in the car 3 hours.
Yeah.
So she-
Well, Kevin sure looked good last night.
yeah.
I just tell you what, I sure wish we didn't have such a problem with this apnea and all this stuff.
Does he still have that, do you think?
Oh, no.
Oh, he does.
I think once you've got that.
Well, but I mean, they work with you to help,
Yeah,
with that.
yeah, definitely. But he has to, I think he still has to wear this thing around his mouth when he sleeps.
Oh, does he? Or did he give up on that?
I'll have to ask Susan. I don't know.
I don't want to ask him.
No,
either. I've noticed before, though, he talks very softly into the phone.
if, well, see, I didn't know who it was at first, so I said hello, and then I didn't
You have to
hear
kind of
anything.
strain to hear him.
Yeah. I wonder why.
And I don't know, but I've noticed that before, too.
Maybe he's afraid of talking too loud before he buckets.
I know. I have
I'm going to
noticed
tell
that.
him I'm very facetious with him. He's got to yell. Talk loud.
Yeah.
You know, it's just I couldn't hear him.
I know.
I had no idea what he said.
Yeah.
And I was surprised that he called me because he had just left me off.
Mm-hmm. Hey, how much was your car today?
Oh, 16.
Is that the right price now?
Yeah. And I give us $2.
Yeah. And how much was it over there?
I think it's 28. And I only left a $2 tip because they didn't have any more money.
Yeah.
I wasn't going to write a check.
No.
I was shocked.
I don't quite get that either. Makes no sense.
I wonder what Jen's going to do. Jen, do you have any ideas about what you want to do, honey?
Nope.
You're so young yet.
Yeah.
Well, I sure wish, I'll tell you what I wish was Ashley
Yeah.
had some ideas.
Mm-hmm.
Jen is way too young.
Yeah.
But Ashley's too old.
Now, how old was that?
I believe she was 24. She's 2.5 years younger than me. Just will be 27.
Yeah.
You know, isn't it funny? Jen's right in the middle. Relatives, you know, my grandchildren are too old for her.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other kids,
They're too young.
They're like brand new babies,
Yeah.
2 years old.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yep, it is crazy, isn't it? Now, do you want me to drop you off now?
I think because of my hair.
Yeah.
It would be nice. And we'll just leave everything.
But it looks
here.
very nice. And who did it today? Oh, the Chinese
girl.
Okay.
Geez, how did I get that wrapped around my foot? I didn't even know that.
That could be dangerous, couldn't it?
Yes. guess that is